hoorah! 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 Run! 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 Run!
What's been happening here?
A lot of things. I mean, a lot of progress. To be honest with you, we're in good spirits today because there's no structure that is being presented.
You're talking about things that are not true, and I'm not going to correct.
Just see me, I go have problems, you know.
Most you want to feel if you come from over there, shelter, all of them are labourers.
Jennifer, me get to work!
I am there sitting and I know.
One place can sit down when people suffer. We want a house.
I have to run out of the house with my baby mother. Run going on our next board house.
Let me tell you something, it's not the Ministry of Local Government like...
You know, they want cup top and some food.
My baby mother will drop with the baby and I have to catch her.
No wickedness them there.
A blood clot truck come from upper Ochi. Well, stop.
You kill people, me I forgot bail you. Our police kill you.
Me hear say pure nasty thing they do over shelter.
Pure nasty things. That's why I want to hurry up and move my pitney them can't grow up.
Why me I tell you it rough, you know, girl.